meron po tayong amazing product para po ma-prevent po yung harmful effects ng radiation sa atin via ALPHASPIN. And, of course, hindi ko na bibigay details because we've invited somebody na authority po. Ako po, I can explain to you mga 3 days kasi detailed, based on experience, pero ito po talaga, she's an authority because she already have researched and talagang proven po na ang ALPHASPIN is really working and effective. So, next please. So, bigyan mo na kayo ng trivia. Did you know that radiation is ever present everywhere? Yes. Kahit dito Sino dito walang cellphone? Wala. Lahat meron. Ako po 3. Pero hindi ko ginagamit, hindi ko nalagay dito. Bakit? Yes. Alam ko yung harmful effects. So, imagine, airline workers like pilots and stewards, as well as passengers, are exposed to radiation up in the sky. Grabe, no? So, imagine, kasi metal yun
Yes.
Di lalo na nakakano na radiation, tapos lahat pa kayong passengers may cellphone. Ala. Tapos may TV monitor, kaya pala masakit yung ulo mo, di ba? And then, airline workers have the same risk of developing cancer as professional dealing with X-ray technology. Grabe, no? Kaya po, I have friends, a lot of friends who are working as flight attendants, and all of my friends have suffered from different kinds of cancer. All. Brain tumor, cervical inflammation, breast cancer. Grabe po. Parang sabi ko, bakit ganun? Kasama na ba yun pagka flight attendant ka, ganun din? So, talaga nakakatakot. Ito pala yung ano dyan, yung answer dyan kung bakit ganun. So, good thing there is ALPHASPIN, your best travel companion. And I want to introduce you very, very quickly lang ang profile ng ating special guest. Okay, so chemical engineering graduate of Mapua Institute of Technology, PRC licensed chemical engineer, masters in business administration graduate, a certified senior instrumentation and control engineer, candidate for doctor in technology education, book author, TESDA expert panel professionalization bill committee member for instrumentation and control competency, examiner, lecturer, resource speaker in the field of instrumentation control. Ano ba? Sa akin, 42 years in field of engineering, industry, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome engineer Zeddy Villalba. Alam niyo po, you're so fortunate na hindi natin ito may invite. Nasa bahay ng staff nagpapahingaan doon niya. Binulabog natin. So please, another round of applause for our amazing engineer Villalba.
Thank you very much. Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay. So, take note of this, radiation from air travel. This came from CDC, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. What is it? Radiation from air travel. Okay. What is this thing called cosmic radiation? It is the cause of air travel radiation, and these are core of atoms moving at nearly light speed of light, and create showers of ionizing radiation. We talk about ionizing radiation. It can deeply penetrate inside our body, and the potential damage it goes to the tissue DNA causes us and lead to us to cancer, reproductive issues, and cognition problems. Okay, I think there's a video for you. Video coming from CDC.
These days, travel by air has become increasingly common, both for business and leisure travel. We are exposed to low levels of radiation when we fly. Radiation when traveling by air is from cosmic radiation, or radiation from space. Cosmic radiation is produced by the stars, including the sun. The amount or dose of radiation you get from air travel is low and depends on: first, duration of the flight. The longer you are on a flight, the more radiation you receive. You would be exposed to about 0.035 millisieverts, or 3.5 millirem of cosmic radiation if you were to fly across the U.S. from the East Coast to the West Coast. This amount of radiation is less than the amount of radiation we receive from one chest X-ray. Second, altitude. The higher you are in altitude, the higher the dose of radiation. This is a result of less shielding of cosmic radiation by the atmosphere at higher altitudes. Third, latitude. The farther north or south you are from the equator, the more radiation you will receive. This is a result of the Earth's magnetic field deflecting some of the cosmic radiation away from the equator and toward the north and south poles. A person's average yearly dose from cosmic radiation is 11% of our yearly exposure to all natural sources of radiation. You can learn more about radiation from air travel at cdc.gov/nceh/radiation.
Okay, so there you are. You got it from the experts. Flying in airplanes exposes people to more radiation than standing next to a nuclear reactor. Grabe. So here's why. Air travel exposes you to radiation. How much health risk comes with it? In 2017, a business traveler called Tom Salter became the world's most frequent flyer, logging 18 million miles of air travel in 14 years. He would have accumulated a radiation dose equivalent to about 1,000 chest X-rays. What kind of risk was that? Are you afraid of it? Of course. Next, please. But we have an answer for that. We recommend you to use this. We call it the EMF protection from ALPHASPIN. It restores the natural energy right frequency for your cells. So when you are exposed to these cosmic rays, you'll find out that this ALPHASPIN, which is an engineering technical glass invented by in Germany, will change now the resonance of the cosmic rays into something that is not harmful. Okay, ba yun? So you can travel more than how many minutes or how many days around the world, and you have no fear of this cancer, etc., etc. So, what does it do? It is actually a proprietary spinning frequency and powerful resonance capable of transferring spinning energy and emitting alpha wave frequency. There are terms there that you have to ask your sponsor to explain it further with this. And a quantum energy field is established with 4 alpha spins. And what happens? The resonance and vibrations of spinning frequencies is transferred through water, light, air, and sound. And we are water actually. Don't you know that your brain is 90% water? And your bones is 85 to 70% water also? So we are a water person, a living thing. And because of that, this is very good for you. Now, it changes the linear water into living water, or known as bio-water. It reduces foam radiations by both the alpha spin and the quantum energy field to become alpha waves, as this resonates with a frequency embedded in the alpha spin. Okay, ba yun?
Yeah.
How about a big clap for this product? Thank you very much.
Thank you.